today I want to give you all a visual about fractions. So when we hear the word fraction, some of us may be a little scared of the term just because we start to see numbers such as 1/2, 1/4, 1/3, 1/8, and so on. Well, those fractions are a lot similar than we think. As a matter of fact, a fraction is a part of a whole. So depending on how many parts of that whole can make fractions similar. For instance,
Alright, to gain a better understanding of what I was saying about equivalent fractions, we have our one whole. As I mentioned before, fractions are a part of a whole. For instance, half of the index card gives us 2 halves, 1/2, 1/2. Now if we were to go higher in the parts, such as 1/4, divided into 4 parts. If you notice, you can see the similarities. More parts, however, 2/4 is equivalent to 1/2. And 4/4 is equivalent to 2 halves and 1 whole. Now if we go even furthermore, let me make some room here. Furthermore, with our index card into 8 parts, you will notice that we have 1, 2, 3, 4/8 equivalent to 2/4 equivalent to 1/2. Now if I were to remove this and make a comparison like so, you will notice that 4/8 is equal to 1/2.
quick recap of what we went over today. The more parts that you create in a whole, so the bigger the number you see in the denominator of your fraction, the more parts you have within a whole. Therefore, that creates some similarities amongst our fractions when even in times they may be equal to each other, as you saw earlier in the video. So I hope you enjoyed this demonstration and good luck.